Guys, Six Sigma is just a correlation game because y, the dependent variable, is a function of the independent variables x. So meaning, based on our data, we need to find the relationship between the independent variable and the dependent variable so that we know how we will manage the x's or the independent variables to impact our metric or the y, which is a dependent variable. It's just like that. It's very easy. So that's why data collection and the way we look at data is very important. Sometimes the data that we collected are so-called non-normal. Hence, we need to do some statistical processes to normalize that. Alright guys, feel free to consult me. Happy learning!